welcome to our morning of making hot cross buns with Pauline and Amber today. Hi, kia ora. First of all, we're going to show the ingredients that we need today. Amber's going to show them to you. We need a cup of milk, warm milk but not hot, some yeast, 1.5 teaspoons,
Measure it.
quarter of a cup of sugar.
Sugar.
We need some melted butter.
Thank you. I don't want to spill it.
And Amber's going to need 3 cups of flour and half a teaspoon of salt. Now that's going to make her sticky dough. And then she's also going to need some mixed spice. And she needs a tablespoon of that. She needs a tablespoon of cinnamon. And she needs half a teaspoon of cloves. And she needs some nice zest off a lemon, but you don't have to put that in. Then she's going to need some mixed fruit. And in our mixed fruit we have sultanas and cranberries, but you could put dried apricots or whatever you liked. And then we get to put in, because it's Easter time, some yummy chocolate pieces. So first of all, to start, Amber's going to get her warm milk from the stove. And she's going to measure in 1.5 teaspoons of yeast. Hope you guys have been having lots of fun at home and listening to your mums and dads, using your manners and being kind to one another.
Alright, 1 teaspoon.
So Amber's going to measure in 1.5 of those.
But they look very big.
Give Amber a little fork ready to whisk it. Or a little whisk. When Amber's whisked that, she's going to tip her sugar in it.
Sugar. Whisk it some more.
And give that a whisk. And now Amber's going to leave that for 3 minutes. So we're just going to put a handy towel over it and we'll see you back in a minute. Back, here we are. Our milk has been resting for 3 minutes. So now Amber's going to tip in her melted butter. And she's just going to give that a little whisk. Now that she's done that, she's going to get her flour ready and she's going to sift that.
Sift the flour.
Into the bowl. Round it goes. Is that fun, Amber?
Yeah. It looks like rain.
It's going in the bowl. I hope you guys have been helping cooking at home.
Nearly there. A little bit more.
Oh, good job, Amber.
And
So
last
that was
little bit.
Amber's 3 cups of flour there. And now she's going to put in her half a teaspoon of salt.
Tiny bit of salt.
And then with her wooden spoon, she is going to make a hole in the middle.
Like a volcano.
Like a volcano. And in her wet ingredients, which is the milk in that, she's going to now tip in her spices into the pot with the milk, ready to go into Amber's flour with a hole in the middle.
Mixed spice.
Yeah.
1 tablespoon.
Yes.
And the cinnamon.
Yeah.
Cinnamon. Cloves.
And now she's going to put in her bowl, her cup, of raisins and cranberries into her wet mix.
Ooh.
And she's going to put her lemon zest in there as well.
Lemon zest.
use the wooden spoon just to give it a gentle stir. Good mixing, Amber.
Mix it all in. Can you guys see? Don't want to spill it.
When Amber's mixed it, she's going to put it into that hole in the middle of her flour.
Alright. Does it look pretty mixed up?
It looks really well mixed, Amber. Smells nice.
Into the hole.
Into the hole it goes. When Amber's got it in there, she's going to use her wooden spoon to give it a mix around. So we're going to put the chocolate aside because that's for later. And I'm going to get the bench ready because Amber gets to make a bit of a mess now.
We love making mess.
We do. So we've got our big bowl of flour here and we're going to sprinkle it on the bench. And when Amber's ready, she's going to tip that onto that extra flour. Oh, Amber, that smells so nice.
It does smell nice.
So she gets to use her hands now. She gets to tip it into the middle.
Make sure you have washed, clean hands.
We did wash our hands. Now what Amber's going to do is she's going to knead it. So she's just going to turn it over and over lots of times until it's like a ball. I'm going to get Amber's bowl ready and get it nice and clean, ready for her to put the dough back into, because it will need to rise for about an hour and a half.
I'm going to flip the dough and push it down. Flip it over and push it down. Kind of feels like our Play-Doh. Spread my flour out.
Is it warm like our Play-Doh, Amber, or is it cold now?
It feels quite warm. I think because we put all the warm butter in.
So we're getting our bowl ready for when Amber's ready, and what we're going to do is we're going to get a paper towel and we're just going to pop a bit of oil on it and we're going to rub it around the bowl, and that way our dough's not going to stick in there while it's rising. So we're getting Amber's bowl ready. Oh, Amber, that looks like a mountain.
It is a bit like a mountain.
So what we're going to do now is we're going to put Amber's dough into the bowl. We're going to get her a clean tea towel. And
There it is.
When she's ready, she's going to put it on the top, and we're going to leave that to rise for about an hour and a half, and then we're going to come back and make the buns. Okay, welcome back. Here we are. We've had our dough sitting, rising, and Amber's got it in her hand now, and she's going to make some buns. While you guys are busy playing, we've already made some buns and put them in the tray, and Amber's just going to make a few more to go in the tray.
So you start by pulling off a little bit of dough, roll it into a wee ball, and this is when you can get your chocolate, just one square, push it into the middle, cover it all up, round a nice wee ball, just like with the Play-Doh, and pop it in your tray. Got a couple more here.
I wonder if we could count them after we've done it, Amber.
That's a good idea. I wonder how many we've got.
I wonder. So we're going to count them together now. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 Easter buns in our kitchen today, Amber. Amber's now going to get her piping ready to make the crosses on the top of the bun. We've already made it, but if you wanted to make it, it's half a cup of flour, half a cup of water, 2 teaspoons of oil, and a little pinch of salt. So what she's going to do is make a tiny snip on the end of her bag.
Tiny snip.
And she's going to squeeze her piping through, and she's going to put a cross on the buns. Might be easier here, Amber, if the children want to see. After she's put the cross on the buns, they're going to rise for another 20 minutes before we can put them in our oven. Our oven's going to be really hot. It's going to be at 200 degrees Celsius, and they're going to cook in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after that, they're going to be ready.
Just like that.
Oh, wow, Amber, that's a good cross. And we're going to see you guys back when they've finished cooking so we can show you. And we're going to taste them to see if they taste yummy. Welcome back. So while you've been busy playing, we've got our hot cross buns out of the oven, didn't we, Amber?
We have.
How do they smell?
Nice and hot. They smell delicious.
Yeah, Amber's cut one open and she's gonna try one.
Got our chocolate in the middle. We're going to have a little bit of butter on mine. Here we go. Mmm.
Are they yummy for your poku, Amber?
Mmm.
Yeah.
They're delicious.
And before we go, we're just going to show you Kitty Cat, who's been helping us today down on the floor. You might have heard her earlier this morning in the video. So ka kite anō, bye for now.
Ka kite.